Okay, I'm standing in the living room, looking at the dining room. There's the buffet. We're interested in the kitchen. So this is to give a little tour. There's a window right inside the kitchen. The buffet goes back along the wall, into the wall I should say. So this is all buffet in here. You can see we have a sink and counter there. Goes up near the ceiling there. Moving island. Turning around this way. Wall. Range. Counter. Stuff. Cabinets. On top of the cabinets there's this, which you have to look behind. And going back to this side, there's the refrigerator. Of course, there's the window here. On this side. Right.